Yeah. Okay, so yeah, just tell us what procedure you had and how far from surgery you are.
I had a BBL, lipo 360, and arm lipo, and I'm 3 months post-op.
Okay, and tell us how you found out about the practice.
I had spent months looking for a surgeon, and one day I just went on TikTok, searched up Miami surgeons, and I found a girl that I loved her results. I went through her page, and I found Dr. Gerth.
Okay. And tell us about what the pre-op experience was like.
The pre-op experience was a little tricky with all the labs, but it wasn't that bad to get everything in order. And all of the pre-op appointments, like the consultation, all that was really smooth. The first interaction with Dr. Gerth was really good, so I felt secure in my decision.
Good. Okay. Any special preparations you had to make?
Stop drinking, stop smoking. Besides that, not really.
Okay. Let's move on to the second part. Let's talk about the day of surgery. So tell us what your pre-op experience was like on the day of surgery leading up to the actual procedure.
The day before, I had to stop eating and drinking anything around like 12 p.m. and then, 12 a.m. And then the day of surgery, I came in around 7 a.m. and it was pretty smooth from there.
Okay, and tell us about your experience in the recovery room.
When I first woke up, it was a little scary coming off of anesthesia because I've never had any other surgery besides this one. So waking up was kind of just a shock because I didn't even remember falling asleep at all. But I just felt cold. That's pretty much it.
Okay. And tell us about that first day after surgery going home.
Going home, I still felt pretty drowsy from the anesthesia, and I didn't have that much pain, but once I actually went home, I took like a 2-hour nap, and when I woke up, I was in pain. But for me, I didn't take any of the really strong pain medications. I just took extra strength Tylenol, and I was fine. But I have a high pain tolerance, so that's just for me.
Now tell us about the first week after surgery.
The first week was hard getting around because with the arm lipo, it's hard to like pick myself up and down, like from laying down. So that was like probably the most trickiest thing and the most painful part. But besides that, and using the bathroom, having to like support myself because I can't sit on my butt was probably the worst part.
Now tell us about after the first week leading up to that 6-week mark where you can sit down and go back to the gym.
Sitting down was like a godsend. It was like the best.
Before. Tell us, leading up to the 6 weeks.
Oh, before, like not being able to sit down was the worst part. Especially because I work in an office, I pretty much all day was sitting down. So I was going 8 hours standing up, and it was really a lot of willpower.
Okay, now tell us about from 6 weeks to now. What has your recovery been like?
It's been pretty good. I haven't had any complications. Going back to sitting down was the best part, honestly. Yeah, it's been pretty good so far.
And tell us what you'd like to share with potential future patients.
It's not as bad as it seems. A lot of people think that it's way worse than because everybody's different. But for me personally, if I had to do it again, I would. So that says a lot about it.